Hello, my friends. Welcome to see my live stream. Today, I'm going to show you our popular model, which is a high-speed model, and especially for small chips, the precision chips cutting. Let's see how it looks like. See, we have more than 10 sets of the machines here. They all under production. So, what you mainly need, this is the main cutting part with the laser head and the truck and also an industrial computer. And some of the customers want automatic loading. Then here is the automatic loader. It's optional device. And usually what you need is only the cutting machines and also a chiller and a compressor. And the connection is very simple. Once you receive the machine, you just need to connect the chiller with the machine for the water pipes and also the power. These two parts. This is the power cable to connect with the chiller, and this is the main power to supply all of the electricity to the machines. This is the chiller we use, Honey brand. And this is the water cables. We have all the labels on the machine so that it would be very easy for you to do the connection. So usually you just need about 3 to 5 minutes to finish the assembly, the connection installation. And let's see how to start the machine. After the pipes connection, we can start the machine. First, turn on the power, and then we have the lights on. And next, turn on the system button. And then the industrial computer will turn on. And then you can turn on the software. What we use is side cut, the cutting system. Let's change the language. We have Chinese and Germany, and English, Spanish, Japanese, and also Russian. So we have different language which can suitable for all of the main language in the world. Okay. Next step is turn the cutting part to the original point. Okay. So after you already put the drawing on the machine, all the setting you can turn on the cutting. 但是选那个有 Okay. Choose the cutting drawing. Okay, so this is a straight cut drawing. Let's see. Hello, welcome friends from India, from Jordan. This is the feeding part. First, I will show you the loading part and the feeding. Hello, welcome friends from Philippines. This whole set of machine is fully automatic from loading and feeding and cutting. See, the first pipe is going to finish, and then the machine will load the next pipe. Hello, welcome Consuls from Peru. Okay, the automatic loader have the signal from the machine, and now it's feeding the pipe. See, we have a calculator to the timer to see how fast is the cutting. It's about 0.5 seconds per cut. Hello, welcome Ali from Turkey. Hello, my friend. So we can see the cutting speed is very fast because our machine's acceleration is 1.6 G. Just few minutes, we already cut so many pieces of pipes. So people will ask, what kind of pipes and the cutting range can be cut in this machine. This model is suitable. 先停一下. Okay, let's see. When this pipe finishes, I will explain to you. This model is specially for small pipes, and it's suitable for the pipe's diameter from 1.5 millimeter to maximum 25 millimeter. Besides the round pipes, it's also suitable for square pipes, rectangular pipes, the section pipes, and also oval pipes. Just now, we showed you is for straight cut, for round tube straight cut. Besides that, we can also have different cuttings on the pipes. Let's see, there's some samples here. This is angle cutting. This is for needles cutting. The diameter is only 3 millimeter. Hello, welcome, young man from Korea, and Chris from Amen. Welcome to see our live stream. So these are some round pipes cutting with angle cutting, hose cutting, and these are oval pipes. Hello, welcome John from US. So since this model is especially for small pipes cutting, what kind of industries is mainly sell to? Like these medical parts, and also this is for the electric cigarettes. This is one of our customer, one-time use electric cigarette, and this is the part for this kind of products. This is for the electric products, the touch pen, like for Apple, Huawei, and also for the medical parts, the precision parts. And we have some rings. It's very beautiful. See. And this machine, the size is very small, only for the length is 2.5 meters long and the width is 1.2, the height is 1.7. So you can just have a very small space for this machine. You can run your business. And our machine working voltage is 380 voltage and 50 hertz, 50 and 60 hertz, both okay, and 3-phase. If the voltage and the frequency is different in your country, we can customize the chiller and also add the transformer to make the machine work. It's very simple. Let's see how this model looks like. This is the height controller for the laser head, and this is the industrial computer. We have a case to close. When you stop using the machine, we can close the case, put the keyboards and also the mouse inside. Yeah, and just few buttons here. This USB is for you when you finish the cutting drawing. You can put into the USB and put to the machine. And the power buttons, system buttons, start and the emergency stop. And this is the light indicator to show you. The green light means the machine is running normally. And the red light means there's some alarms happen on the machine. And this is the truck. It's a very high-speed truck. And we have the marble table. This is a special part for our machine to ensure the machine cutting accuracy can reach 0.03 millimeter. It's very high accuracy. Later I will show you. And we also have a remote control. After you set all the settings, the parameters, you can use the remote control. And we have a very careful design that we have the light here. So you can run the machine in a very good environment. This is the cutting head we use, ray tools and osprey. And this is the cutting part. We have the cover here. You can put a container near the cutting part to receive all the workpiece. Our machine also have a function that to cut the pie head before you start cutting the workpiece. Let's see again. This is the automatic loader. Usually we suggest to put the pipes maximum for 3 meters long, because you know the pipe, when you using the small and thin pipes, they will be easily bent. That will affect the loading function. So the loader is additional part. It's optional. And it's suitable for, we suggest to use the automatic loader for pipes above 5 millimeter. So when you cut in some small pipes less than 5 millimeter, you can just use manual loading on this machine. But the feeding and the cutting, they all fully automatic. Let's see the manual loading. 看，等一下，看。See, this model, this machine is without the loader. Our engineer will show you how to put the pipes on it. You can put, here is a pipe rack, and you put the pipes here and input into the truck. Hello, welcome friends from India and Netherlands. Hello, Jane. Okay. So after put the pipes, wow, the cutting speed is crazy. It's amazing. Now what we are cutting is have some holes on the pipe. Hello, welcome friends from Italy. Hello, welcome Diego. Our machine also have a special structure. This is for the receiving the cutting gas, the dust. By laser cutting, you can connect it with the dust collector. So the speed is amazing, right? Okay, next part I'm going to show you our electric parts. Okay, we need to use a key to open the case and show you. This is for the pneumatic parts. We use AirTag and also SMC. And these are some mixed oil to fill in the truck. Hello, Ryan. Thank you. Thank you. You love our machine. Thank you. Oh, thank you, my friend from US. Yeah, this is a pneumatic machine. And the speed is crazy high. See, these are some precision parts for the electric cigarette. You can contact us for more details, my friends. Please leave your message and our salespeople will connect you, give you the offer. Okay, let's go ahead. These are the components we use. This is the industrial computer. We have the servos here. Hello, BA, welcome. Welcome, my friend from US. And we use like Schneider and Siemens electric parts. Hello, Moni. Welcome, my friend from India. Okay, just remember the chiller you use must be same power as the laser source. Like this model as is especially for small and thin tubes cutting. Usually we suggest for thickness below 1 millimeter when you using the automatic loader. Then for the chiller, you also need to use 1 kilovolts. Hello, welcome, Mama. So I would like to share with you some specification of this model. First, some customers may ask, what is the minimum cutting length of this model? Usually we suggest for 1 millimeter for the minimum cutting length. For automatic loader, we suggest the pipe length below 3 meters long. But if you using manually loading, then the pipe length is no limited. For the pipe thickness, under the automatic loading part, under the automatic loading version, we suggest the thickness below 1 millimeter as the pipe size too small. If the thickness is too thick, it will affect the cutting result. I know some customers, you are very professional and understand what I'm talking about. And the cutting accuracy is only 0.03 millimeter. Let's show you the accuracy.
18.6.
Hello, welcome. Welcome, Eric. 慢一点点，对，停顿一下。Okay. See, the accuracy is within 0.03. It's very good. Okay, and as you can see, just now we showed you for the round tube straight cut, the cutting speed is only 0.5 seconds per cut because our machine has a very good acceleration. It can reach 1.6 G for the cutting. The whole machine weighs about 1 turns, and I just told you the machine size is also very small, that you can have a small space to put this machine to start your business. I'm going to show you again for the cutting samples. For this is oval pipes to cutting with holes, and some round price. And very small ones like this is only 3 millimeter for the needles cutting, for the medical industries and also for jewelries. Very beautiful, right? This is for the medical parts. 这个我们可以切吗？ And also this is with sand coating before cutting. Some thicker pipes. See, the cutting edge is very smooth, clean and neat without burrs. This is used on the cars. It's automotive parts. Hello, welcome my friend. This is for the electric cigarettes. This part. Yeah, the parts inside the electric cigarettes. It's very popular industry in last years. Okay, next part I'm going to show you the components brands we are using. For the hats, we have Ray Tools and also Osprey. And for the laser source, we use Max Photonics and also BTW. If you want to customize the hat and the source, we can change like IPG and other brands. The next part, I'm going to show you more cutting. Yeah. Next, we're going to make some holes on the pipes. Hello, welcome. Okay, we're going to cut this part. Welcome, Mauritius. Welcome. I think you guys want to see more on how the machine runs and the cutting. This is the feeding structure to feed the pipes into the truck. Once the truck have the pipes, you go ahead for automatic feeding and cutting. And we have a lot of sensors on this automatic loader. This is a control box with the emergency button. So again, if you want to cut some pipes with below 5 millimeter, you can use manually loading without the loader, because the loader is optional. See, this is the marble platform. The pipe feeding part, the YX. This is for the laser head. Hello, welcome, Mohammed. Okay, start cutting. And we have a light. It's a very sortable design of the machine. Usually, the laser cutting machine is without the lights, but in the workshop, the lights environment may not be good, but we have this design. Hello, welcome friends from Russia, Canada, and Australia, Saudi Arabia. Now we are cutting this part. We have some labels here for warming. After this part finish, it's go ahead for the leg fitting. So we'll take some parts, the workpiece, to show you the cutting accuracy. Besides the straight cut accuracy, we can see even for hose cutting, the accuracy is also perfect. Okay.
18.6.
Same, 18.6. So as you can see, even for hose cutting, angle cutting, the machine's accuracy is also perfect. Only 0.03 millimeter. It's much more higher accuracy than other laser cutting machines. So my friends, you can ask any question. If you want to see more details, just send us your question here. So even in such a high cutting speed, the machine is very stable. The noise you're hearing is from the high pressure air. It's not from the cutting. This is the difference from the saw cutting, traditional saw cutting and laser cutting. As laser cutting is no touch, so there's no noise from the cutting. What you hear is just the high cutting pressure. And for this model, what you need for cutting is only the compressed air. You can choose the high pressure compressor, reach 18 kg. That's enough for the cutting. And make sure you choose the professional air compressor, which is especially for laser cutting. It must offer the air with dry air, without oil, and clean. So the regular compressor is not suitable for laser cutting. Make sure for this part. Hello, Rogerio. Welcome to see our live stream. Hello, my friend from National Heaters. I will contact you for the offer with the pie loading. Thank you for watching. Do you want to see more details of this machine? Just send us your question and we will show you. Okay, so and for this model, what I just show you is the pi connection and also how to start the machine. What you need an engineer who can make the drawing for the cutting and put onto the machine. And the operation is very simple. Just turn on the power and the control system and open the drawing you want to cut, make some setting for the laser power, and we have different language in the control system for our customers, like Japanese, Korean, and Italian, French, Spanish, English, and Germany, and also Chinese. Okay, let me show you the cutting edge of the cutting part. These are some samples we just cut. Is it clear for you? See, the cutting edge is very clean and smooth, straight, and no burr. Hello, welcome Joes from US. Okay, you're welcome, Ibrahim. I remember you. Thank you to see my live stream. And what else details you want to see? We can show you in our live stream. This is for the round chips J cut. The cutting edge is very, very perfect. You know, it also needs some technical to cut small pipes. If you guys want some samples, we can offer you for free. Just leave your contact information. We can send you the samples. And if you want to make cutting tests, please contact us. Okay, Ibrahim, our friend from Jordan, want to see how to change different diameters. Yes, it's very simple to change. Only a few minutes. Let's see. You asked a great question. It's one piece clamp set. So, and for this model, if you have different size, different diameters of the tubes, you need to have different clamp sets for this. And this is for diameter 5.5. And now our engineer is going to show you how to install the clamp set. Just now he finished to take out the clamp set in 2 minutes. Fasten the clamp sets and then fasten the screws. That's it. You use the tooling to make sure the clamp set is fastened. This is the tools. And then fix the screws. That's it. Only one screw. And we have different chalk size. This is for diameter 25, and we have chalk for diameter below 15. If your pipes are mainly below 15, you use a smaller chalk. It can help increase the cutting speed. This is for the chalk below 15, and the speed can increase more than 10%. So whenever you want to have a machine solution, make sure tell us all your pipe details for the size and your cutting requirement. We will give you the professional solution according to your cutting needs. Okay, my friends, what else you want to see? What else you want us to show you? Ibrahim, do you have any else questions? Hello, welcome, Mano from US. Okay, hello again, my friends. Welcome to join our live stream. And just now we show you the machine connection, the cutting, and also the cutting accuracy, the parts. And okay, you're welcome, Ibrahim. What do you mean for the maximum length? You mean the cutting length? Actually, there's no limit for the cutting length. The minimum cutting length is 1 millimeter, and the maximum, just what you want. Like if you want to cut short pieces, there's just set on the touchscreen. If you want to cut long lengths like 3 meters, we can put the support structures near the cutting part so that to support the long length cutting. Hello, welcome ma'ams from France. Okay, and our live stream is almost finished. So if you have other questions, just leave your message. And you are welcome. You are always welcome, Ibrahim, my friend. Next, we are going to show you how to maintain the machine. Usually for daily maintenance, before you start the machine, make sure to check the air compressor first. Check if the air pressure is perfect, and make sure all the air is clean, dry, and in high pressure. And second part, turn on the machines, check if the indicators and also the buttons like the emergency buttons, they are normal. And the next is check the chiller. Make sure the chiller is in the suggested level. The water is in the suggested level. This is the part to show you the temperature. And here we have a meter here to see the water level. Make sure. So here the chiller, the water is should add more water so that it can reach the green area. And our machine is very simple for the operation. There's no need to add the yellow oil. We have the mixed oil parts here. Make sure when there's less oil, add it, and the machine, every time when the clamset move, it will add the oil automatically into the clamset. And for the chiller, one more information for you. We suggest you to change the water every 3 months. And as you see now in China, in north, the temperature is very low as we are in winter area. So make sure add the antifreezer, the liquid in with the oil to avoid the water get frozen. It's very important. And change the water every 3 months and clean the machine and the chiller, the dust every day. That's it. And one more additional information for the compressor. Every day must take out the water and clean the filter to make sure the air is clean and oil free. That's it. Okay, so the last part of our live stream is going to finish, and we will show you the cutting again. 再切一次。Hello, welcome my friend from Lithuania. Hello, welcome, Sergey. Hello, welcome, Sahan from Iraq. So just put a container under the cutting part. See, our truck is running in a very high speed. Oh, by the way, some customers may ask how long the machine can run. First, the machine can run 24 hours. Usually, our customers will have 3 shifts for the workers. Every worker run for 8 hours, so total 24 hours. For our machine, it's no problem. And for the laser source, it can use the lifetime is more than 100,000 hours. And by the way, one more information for you. As this model is especially for small and thin pipe cutting, so usually 1 kilowatt laser power is enough. As most of our customers, their pipes is within 1 millimeter. And for the truck part, we will offer you for 2 sets for free of charge. And for additional sets, you can buy from us to ship with the machine, or we can offer you the drawing that you can produce the clamp set locally. So that when in the future, if you want to cut other different sides of the pipe, you can produce the clamp set very efficiently and convenient. Hello, welcome Sally from Saudi Arabia. Welcome to see our live stream. So after you set all the setting and parameters on the touchscreen, there's no need people. See. So this is a fully automatic machine if you add the automatic loader. Again, the loader is suggest for diameter above 5 millimeter because for the 2 small pipes, they will easily bend. Hello, welcome friends from Canada and Australia. Welcome, Vickers. See, some cutting sample we did for our customers like jewelries, the rings, and for the electric cigarettes, and some for the needles, for small needles and big needles. Like this one is only 3 mm diameters. And we have some customers, they cut for 1.5 diameters. Some parts for the medical industries. Hello, welcome Mickey from Italy. Our live stream is going to finish. If you want to see the previous live stream, just press the replay and we show you the machine structures, the components, how to maintain the machines, everything. And you can contact us for more details. Hello, my friends. Welcome again. Thank you again to see our live stream. If you want to have more solutions for cutting and welding, just leave us a message and contact us. Remember us, our brand is SteviS, and we specialize in laser cutting and welding. If you want to know more about us, you can leave your message and contact our salesperson. We will share you the specifications and offers of our machines. And we can offer you free samples and free testing. Thank you again for joining our live stream. We see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.